1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This fucking mic better work. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a regular look. I wanted to create this look for you guys using James's palette again, and I also did my whole entire face, so you guys will be seeing that as well. This is a voiceover because, you know, I sat down, I started listening to music, and then I just forgot to speak. So I'm sorry, but I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and we'll get right into it. Alright you guys, I like to start off priming my eye with the Plouise base. I use this in all of my videos for all of my looks. It's my favorite. And then I took the color called B, which is a yellow, and I packed this right into my inner corner. I use like patting motions because I like to get the most pigmentation out of my shadows, so that's what I'm doing now. And then I like to blend everything out just to make sure everything is nice and diffused. Is that the right word? It is, right? And then I took Social Blade, which is this really nice like limey green. I don't know why I keep saying limey, like lime green, kind of like that, you know what I'm saying? But isn't lime green like more darker? I'm just thinking about the limes. Anyways, just keep blending. Make sure that you blend this green into the yellow. I was laughing here because I was watching David Dobrik. You guys know, if you guys know me, I love him so much. Anytime I'm like sad or depressed, I watch his videos. So I really recommend them if you're ever in like a really sad mood or just enjoy like funny videos and stuff. Now I'm taking Playground and I am blending this right next to Social Blade. Make sure that you blend these into each other just so you can get a really nice gradient. Also, most of these clips are not sped up. They're obviously cut, but they're not sped up, so that you guys can kind of get a feel of how long it takes me to blend and how like much I take to do looks. I don't know, I take a long time, and I also like going back and forth. You'll see right now, I like to go back and forth with my shadows. So yeah, this video is not sped up. And now I'm taking Escape, which is the purple, and you'll see here how like I like to just go back and forth and add product little by little. I don't ever like pick up a lot of product all at once because that can really mess up a look. I like to build my products so I don't get like patchiness and like a really nice blend as well. So just make sure you're building your product and not going in with a bunch of shadow all at once. And then I'm going back in with Playground and blending that into the purple. And now here I did a mix of You're Kidding, Love That, and Skip, and I got this color. I don't know, I just wanted to mix the three. And purple and like pink sometimes can be hard to blend. Well, it's kind of like reddish, but like just take your time and it'll blend into each other. See how I'm going back and forth with those two brushes? That's all I do, is I just go back and forth until I get a really nice like gradient. And then I took a little bit of 514, which was the orange. I just wanted like a really blown out look, and plus I wanted to play with orange as well. And now here I cut my crease. I did a half cut crease. I never show you guys that part because it just takes forever. Maybe one day I'll show you guys like how long it really takes me. But now I'm taking Playground and this flat brush and I'm adding this to the outer portion of the eye, and also I'm doing like a liner with it. You'll see right now. And now I'm taking Social Blade again. And again, I'm doing like a liner thing kind of. I just really wanted, I don't know, I just really wanted that because I had did it the day, like yesterday or something like that, and I really liked how I did like the whole little liner. So that's what I'm doing. And now I'm adding B, and I'm placing that right next to Social Blade as well. Now for the lid, I took, it was like a Rimmel Shadow and a mixture of Unicorn from the Dream Glow Kit from Anastasia. I mixed those together and it got me this. I'll make sure to link the Rimmel Shadow in my description. I know I always forget. I'm sorry, okay? You can kick my ass if you want or yell at me in the comments. It's fine. I'll take it. And now for the face portion, we're gonna come back to the eyes. I like to use Too Faced Hangover Primer because I have dry skin. So that's what I like to do. You can use whatever primer is for your skin type. And then I take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I like to go in with the brush. I started using this because of one of my friends on Twitter. Her name is Sky. You guys should follow her. She uses a brush. I would always see her use a brush for her foundation application, and she also has dry skin like I do, so I started using it and I really do like it. I just do like patting motions onto my skin. Also, I have acne prone skin. I know a lot of the times people think that I should do full coverage, but I actually try not to do that. I just let my acne like show through. I don't really care anymore. I used to care a lot, and I would like put like heavy like foundation on. I would put a lot. I don't do that anymore. I'm you know what, I don't care. Like my acne is there, and I'm not gonna cover it for anyone. So like I just, you know, I get a lot of people that are like, you need to cover it up, and I'm just like, no, I don't. I'm gonna do what the fuck I want. You do what you want. So yeah, again, I also like to take like a beauty sponge and just go over everything, just to make sure that everything is like, there's no can you guys hear my dad sneezing? Jesus Christ, he needs to get his own YouTube. Yeah, I just make sure I go with the beauty sponge and pat everything in. And then I like to take two concealers. I like to take the Elf concealer and the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer. Now the Elf, it really looks like my skin, like it looks like my skin tone. I just really like the texture of it, so that's why I use it. And I'll mix it with the Covergirl one because it's light and it just gets me like a really nice consistency, and I just really like it, so that's what I use. Oh my god, my dad. Okay, now I took the Milani Translucent Light to Medium Powder, which this is new and this is so fucking good. Oh my gosh, Milani, you guys did that. I really, really like it. I don't feel like it was super like cakey-ish, if that makes sense. Like it just like really melted into my skin, so I put it all over my skin, and I just really like the finish of it. Like, and I'm pretty sure this is affordable. I don't know how much it costs, but it's really freaking nice, and I really like it. Now I'm taking Anastasia's Dream Glow Kit in Unicorn. This is one of my favorites. It's like a pink highlight. You'll see right now. It's like pink purpley-ish. I really love using highlighters that have like color. Like I don't really like using gold highlights or anything like that. I love highlights that have like, that are like purple or pink or yellow. Like I don't know, I'm just weird, I don't know. And then I'm taking my favorite contour kit, as you guys can tell. I'm mixing those three, which is the Anastasia Contour Kit. And I'm kind of messy with it, because then I go back and I clean it up. I contour my cheeks, and I also contour my big ass forehead. People think that I don't have a big forehead. I do. I have a 5 head. So yeah. And now I'm cleaning it up just a little bit. And I like to do 2 glosses. I like to do, that doesn't make sense. I like to use 2 glosses. My favorite fucking gloss, I'm sorry, I have to cuss because it's so good, is the Morphe gloss in Trippy, which is the one I'm putting on right now. I don't know, it's just so good and it smells so freaking nice. And then I like to top it off with Anastasia lip gloss, and I have no idea what this one is called. I'm sorry. Again, I'll put it in the link in the description down below. Wait, that doesn't make sense. In the description down below. Jesus Christ, I hate fucking voiceovers. Okay, let's keep it moving. And then I use some lashes, which I also don't know what like these are. I don't know why I'm whispering. Oh my gosh, this is a fucking disaster. Anyways, I don't know what these are. I'm very sorry. I forgot, okay? I'm sorry. Kill me. No, just kidding. Don't, please. No. Okay. Alright, you guys, I'm sorry that my voiceovers are always a fucking disaster, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. By the way, I love you guys. Okay, bye.